If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on intermediate level where we are solving previous year JEE Main questions. So today we will be solving 5 questions, question number 9, 10, 11, 12 and then 13. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, in question number 9, the equation of the circle passing through the point 1, 0 and 0, 1 having the smallest radius. So it is 1, 0 and it is 0, 1. So what is the smallest radius? If 2 points are given and you are asked to find the circle with smallest radius, suppose this point are given. So one circle can be of this format, circles can be of this format, you can have more diagram. What will be the smallest? The smallest one will be if you take this one as a diameter, because that is the smallest. These two are the extreme point of the diameter, then this is the smallest. Otherwise it will be a chord. These 2 points that you are joining, these 2 points, this can be diameter, this can be chord. If this become chord, then diameter will be more. So suppose these are the 2 points. So if you make it a chord, suppose this type of circle if I take, so if I make this with 2 points as a chord, then its original diameter will be more, so its radius will be more. So the smallest you can do, you make it as diameter. If you make it as diameter, then that will become the half of that will become the radius. Otherwise every time it will be chord means your diameter will be keep on increasing. So the smallest smallest circle that you can have with this passing through this point is making this one as a diameter. So this is the diameter, so this is its center. So this is the smallest circle possible. Now what they are asking, the equation of the circle. So the equation, you have 2 diameter, extreme diameters, so you can apply diametric form, x minus x1 into x minus x2, y plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So if you do it, it will be x square plus y square minus x minus y equal to 0. That is your option C. Now if you take question number 10, 2 circles this and this touch each other. If you see the circles, one circle is x square plus y square equal to c square. So if I plot it, they can touch. So they can touch 2 different ways. One can internally, one can externally. They have not mentioned you. So you have to explore both the options. So this was the first case, that is one circle x square plus y square equal to c square. That's radius is c. What is the second circle? Second circle is x square plus y square minus ax. Second circle is x square plus y square minus ax equal to 0. What is its g? G is here. G is minus a by 2. What is f? F is 0. So what is its center? Center is a by 2 comma 0. So center will be somewhere in this line, a by 2 comma 0, and its radius is also a by 2. Radius is also a by 2, center is also a by 2. If you do g square plus f square minus c, no g, no f, no c, so only g will come, so that is a by 2. Okay, so if I take it touch internally, so my circle will look like this. So there will be a by 2, this point is a by 2 comma 0, and because the radius is also a by 2, so it will pass through this actually. So this is the condition, this will be a by 2, so its radius is also a by 2, center is also a by 2, as you can see. Now if I take this condition, it touches internally, then what was the condition? C1 C2 must be equal to R1 minus R2. So here you can see, obviously, because I am taking the smaller one inside, because the larger one cannot be inside, you can see, because this is the circle, x square plus this cannot be inside, because this circle only is in first and third, this is in 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrant. So this x square plus y square plus c square cannot be inside this one, so this one can be inside this one. Okay, you can see it because it is not going in this quadrant. Okay, so because this is going, so you can see which one is greater, which one is the smaller. What is the distance between the centers? Is a by 2. What is R1 and R2? R1 is C, and what is R2? Obviously this is capital greater, C is obviously greater, then there is no need of mod. So C is equal to A. So this A can be this side also, because this can be this side, so you can put it plus or minus. Because here I am considering this, so you can take this A as a mod of A, because I am taking the only magnitude. So that's why C is a mod of A, because A can be this side, this circle can be this side also. It is not necessary. The circle can be minus a by 2 with a radius a by 2, because I am considering only radius, so this radius is a by 2, which is you can take positive value. This distance is also, this is also distance, that's why everything is positive, but A itself can be negative, so that's why it's better if you take mod. So you can see one option is there with C is equal to mod A, so obviously A will be there, and it is a single correct answer, so obviously this is the answer. But still we will check the another one. What was the another one? It can touch externally. Externally touching means, So for externally touching it will not possible. Why? Because you see its center is this and radius is this. So if you take this is a by 2. So if you start as drawing a circle, so it should pass this through this also, because its radius is also a by 2. So it is not touching, it is intersecting. So it cannot go outside. So this case is not possible. So only option is this one. The length of the diameter of the circle which touches the x-axis at the point this and passes through the point 2, 3. Diameter of the circle which touches the x-axis. Again, if you touch a x-axis at the point, at what point it is touching? Touching the x-axis at the point 1, 0. And it passes through point 2, 3. Some point is 2, 3 is there, it will passing through. So, okay. So because it touches here, so its center, this center will be, you can know this is 90 degree. So this center abscissa will be 1, x coordinate will be 1, and height you don't know, suppose k. And its radius will be also k. So what will be the equation of this one? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to k square, because its radius is also k. So if you do it, it is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2ky, k square will be gone. Now this line has to pass to 2, 3. So if you put it 2, 3, it should satisfy. So if you put 2, it is 1. You can put 2 to 4, 4 will get cancelled. So 1, and then you put 3. So 3 square is 9 minus 6y is equal to 0. Or sorry, k, 6k, because y is 3. So your 6k is equal to 10, or k is equal to 10 by 6, that is 5 by 3. They are not asking you k. So that's why it is very important when you give answer. They are asking the length of the diameter. So what is the length of the diameter? If the radius is 5 by 3, so the diameter is 2 into 5. Be very careful while giving answer. I just made a mistake here, just putting this one as an answer. So if you do everything correct also, at the end you can do the mistake if you are not reading the question carefully. So to read which one is the answer. What they are asking in 12. A circle passing through this and touching x-axis at this also passes through the point this. Okay. Similar type of question almost. So circle passing through point this and touching this x-axis, it is touching at 3, 0, but it is passing 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2. So obviously the circle will be of this fashion here, and it is touching at 3, 0. So what will be again? This will be 3, k, and what will be its x minus 3 whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to k square. So if you expand it, it will be x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 2ky is equal to 0. Because it passed through 1, minus 2, if you put 1, it should satisfy. So 1, if you put it here, 3 minus 1, 2, 4, and then y is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 square 4, then minus 2, this is 4k is equal to 0. So you will find your 4k is equal to minus 8, or k is equal to minus 2. So if you put it now original equation, this becomes your, or you can write it in this way also, or whatever, this x square, x minus 3 whole square, then y plus 2, let me write it in this way. So because no need to calculate here in this way. Now you can see the circle, it will pass through. They are asking minus 5, 2. Minus 5, 2 is, you can see by seeing some, you can eliminate some option. Minus 5 is, 2 is here. So obviously the circle is not here. So A is not the answer. B 2, minus 5. 2, minus 5, it can be here. 2, minus 5. So 5, minus 2. 5, minus 2. That can be also here. 5, minus 2 can be somewhere. Minus 2, 5, minus 2. So D also cannot be, because it is not going that quadrant. Okay. Okay, forget it. Now how to check? You put the points here, which point, the point which satisfies here, that will be the answer. That's it. So if you try with these some options, suppose I try with this option 2, minus 5. So 2, if I put option B 2, minus 5. So if I put this is 1 and this is 3. So 9 plus 1 10. So it is not 10. So obviously B will not be the answer. C. If I put 5, then it is 4. Then it is minus 2 0. So obviously it is the answer. 4 equal to 4. So if you put C, it satisfies. So the circle will pass through 5, minus 2. Just you put the option here, it should satisfy. If I put it here, it is 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. So left and right hand satisfies. So it is obviously the point on the circle. Now if you come to 13, the only circle having radius root 10 and a diameter along the line this is this. You have to be very careful here. You can see the only circle. One thing that when you read this one, it should come in your mind. It is only. Give a focus on this one. Having radius this and a diameter along this. So you have given a line 2x plus y is equal to 5, They told you that the diameter is along this line, okay, and the radius is root, something is given. So you can see by reading up to this much only you can give answer. Suppose this is my radius, that is root 10. So the diameter is on the line. So do you have only one circle like this? Physically you see, no, you can have another circle here also. The diameter is same. The radius is again root 10. You can go along here also. This is root 10. Radius is root 10. Diameter is along this, because this line is infinite. So it can be anywhere in the line and the radius. So you can draw in as many as circle as possible. So the only statement is the wrong. Okay, this can be the circle. If you draw it, what is its g? G is its minus 3. What is it? F is 1. So center is 3 comma minus 1. If you put 3 comma minus 1 in the line, it will satisfy, because this is one of the equation. If you put 3 to the 6, okay, it is satisfied. It is in the line, and its radius also, if you calculate, radius is also root 10. G square plus f square minus c. But this is not the only circle. You can think. That's what I want to make here clear. You can draw a circle here also. Diameter is on this line and radius is root 10. Because only these two are given. Diameter should be here, and so there are as many as infinite number of circles. So the only circle, the statement is wrong. So if one is wrong, then nothing you have to see. Option D is the answer. One is false, because rest are 1, 2. If 2 is false, then C is the direct answer. Nothing you have to see. 2 you can think. Now you can, for clarification, you can now, for your own sake, you can see it. 2x minus plus y is the normal to the circle this. 2x plus y. 2x plus y is equal to 5 is the normal. Okay, if you have a circle this, and 2x plus y is this line, this is the diameter. So I know, yes, diameter, anything that passes through the center becomes normal. I have explained you in the theory for the normal and diagonal. You can check the theory for normals and diagonals, normal and orthogonal to a circle. If normals of a circle means any line that will obviously pass through the center, then it will become normal, because if you draw a tangent, normal means 90 degree to the tangent, so it has to pass through center. So obviously true is the true, but A is not a true here. That's why D is the answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.